Hello friends, I'm back with another exciting tutorial. Let me show you how this slide works. I have created 6 product lines and for each product line there's a target set. When I click it, it will tell me whether I have achieved the budget or not. If you see the first product, it has achieved the budget, exceeded the budget, but the second product could not able to achieve the budget and I've given the percentage above. And apart from that one, you can see there's a product descriptions which you can add. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert tab, Shapes, select a rectangle and make the width as 1.65 inches and the height as 6 inches. Make it align center, shape outline, no outline. Go to Insert tab again, select Shapes and you can select the rounded corner. So just drag this much and you can see this small yellow part, just drag it so it becomes perfect curved. Bring it here and make it no outline and give some different color. Alright, yellow. Let me just reduce the size. Yeah, this is perfect. I'll just make it, select both the objects and make align center. Let me reduce the bar size of yellow, maybe this much, and select the rectangle and the bar, go to format, merge shape and say subtract. So this will remove the yellow bar line and it becomes one object. I'm going to fill this white background with a dark gray. Go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle and make it dark gray color, or maybe this one black text one lighter, and make it no outline and say send to back. I'm going to create one more rounded corner rectangle and again make it more sharper edges, reduce the size and give some different color, maybe purple, and make it no outline. Alright, so bring this down, maybe here, and then I'm going to give some animation. Go to animation, animation pane, add animation, bring the down and select motion path line and select the effect, which is instead of down make it up. Alright, so I'll just make it somewhat up, hold the shift key and drag it maybe till here. Alright, and select the rectangle shape which we have created initially and go to format, bring to front. Alright, so if you see here something animation works something like this. So for this one I'm just going to change the color to white, fill with white. Right, now if I play this will something work like this. Let me just change this color to some different color which is visible on the black. I'll go to format, maybe I'm just going to use pink for a while, and right mouse click, go to format shape and under shadows select the shadow which is offset top. Right, and for the animation I'm making it more faster, make it very fast, and the effect, the bouncing effect, I'm just going to increase. Say OK, and when you play this will work something like this. Alright, so now it's time to set the target. I'm going to close the format and the animation pane, and I'm just going to set the target for this one, which is I'm just going to select again small rectangle, make it no outline, and you can give some different color, maybe yellow. You see, now I want to add one small arrow because this is exceeding the budget. So for that one, I'm just going to hide this one. To hide this one, you have to go to home, select selection pane, and just you can unhide this, sorry, hide this. All right, now I'm just going to insert a small arrow which is going upwards, arrow up, make it small arrow, bring it here, and shape outline, no outline, and make it white. Now the problem what will happen is the moment I create, if I merge these two shapes, it will remove the animation. If you see here, if I go to animation, right, the right mouse click, and if I say group it, immediately the animation will go. So you have to add this arrow before you start making the animation or adding the animation. Let me just add the animation again. Go to add animation, bring it down, lines, and effects, make it up, double click, make it very fast, and in the bounce end increase it to maybe 35 seconds, 0.35 seconds, and then just increase maybe till here. All right, so if you see here, now I have to just enable this shape. I'll just say format, bring to front because it has gone back. All right, yeah, and this also arrow I'll just say bring to front, sorry, the rectangle. All right, add the text here as product 1. Let me just close this, insert text box, type product 1. All right, and make it bold, align center. I'm just going to use the color pink. I'm just going to put it here. All right, or you can use the same color which is dark gray, and I'm just going to add one more rectangle, a small rectangle, so that it represents the color. Make it no outline and use this pink, so it will work something like this. All right, now we have done the major part. I can just add some percentage also here. So for that text box, just type, say maybe this is almost 85%. Make it bold and give the pink color and bring it here. All right, and this should happen once the animation happen for this one. So that I'm going to add the animation pane. I'll just say appear, and with previous, maybe a delay of 0.3 seconds. Okay, all right, now the one major part is done. So for me, it's just move this side and press Ctrl D, and you can just make as many lines as you need, maybe this much. I'm just going to use 5 and bring it exactly at the center. Okay, now it's time to just change the color. I'm just going to change the color to some different colors. I'll use some green, maybe orange, red, and maybe a brown. And all of this one should happen with previous. I'm selecting all this one, go to animation, make it with previous. Okay, so because there is a delay of 30.3 seconds, so it's taking some time there. All right, now if you want, you can just adjust the bars. For me, this bar should go down, the budget, this should go up. I'll just make it more up. This should be further up, and with the help of the up or down or a key, you can bring it up and down. All right, now you can just change the color to the same color, whatever the color we have used. Maybe this is green, this is orange. All right, so you can just change all the colors you want. Now apart from that one, now if you want to say example, the product 2 has not achieved the budget, so for that again you have to first hide this one. To hide this one, go to home, select selection pane, and wherever you find this freeform shape 23, I'm just going to hide this one. And this arrow, let me just zoom it, this arrow, go to format and rotate, I'll say vertical, and bring back this one. So all right, so for this, hold the shift key and bring it somewhere here. All right, so similarly you can do for the rest of that one, and once you have finished, your product will something look like this. Okay, so that's it from me, friends. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, always VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.